Hiya, today I'm going to talk about the Gyro Mini RC helicopter that came from Paramount. This is a mini helicopter, possibly the world's smallest mini helicopter. It's just 11 centimeters long that it can actually sit on your palm. To switch on the helicopter, go to the back side and there you can find a white button. Push it up and there you go. You can find bright, multicolored, flashy LED lights that can actually make your helicopter glow in the dark. And here you can see 3 propellers in total, the top 2 and the rear one. These 2 top propellers are termed as coaxial propellers, meaning they rotate in opposite directions so as to balance the torque created by the sudden change in velocity. And the rear propeller controls the forward and backward movement of a helicopter. And this is your infrared remote controller. This is the on-off switch, and this is a band selector. You can fly up to 3 helicopters at the same time using the same remote controller. And this is your throttle stick for ascending, descending, and this throttle stick for forward, backward, left and right. So it's multi-directional. And this back side is where you insert your 6AA batteries, which is not included in the back. And now it's a cover. There you can find a charging wire to charge the helicopter using the power from the batteries. Alternatively, you can also power using the USB wire that came with the helicopter. And this is how you do it. And this part goes to the USB port of your PC. It also comes with some spares, which consists of 1 set top propeller, 2 rear propeller and a small mini screwdriver in case if your mini RC zoomer encounters a mini accident. And now I'm going to launch this little one. And that's it.